One of the critical pillars of retail success is the organized management of a store. Welcome to our presentation today about fashion flow, streamlining apparel inventory systems and processes. Throughout this presentation, we'll discuss the step-by-step process on how the software code of this project works, as well as how the various methods and functions used in this program help the project attain specific goals. Starting off, as the users enters the choice tool, they are given a chance to create their new and desired name and password. But in contrast with the user's name and password, the prompter has options. Firstly, if the name is not already taken, it will be displayed and accepted. And with that, the user's name and password can be worked for logging in. Secondly, when the user's name and password is already taken, the prompter will suggest picking another one and will not count the inputted name and password. So running the program will lead you to the menu section of the inventory, labels for login, sign up, and exit. So this process involves the utilization of the most suitable approach for this, which is the login function. So utilizing the choice one function, if users choose the login option, they are required to use and enter their saved username and password in the inventory. So if their username and password existed in the user manager, this action will successfully provide access to the inventory. But if they don't have an existing user in the user manager, it will show the invalidity and will require you to try again. So when the login process is successful, the program will print a message containing login successful. Jumping to the inventory menu, the program provides various functionalities that empowers us to maintain precise control over our stock levels, which includes adding, removing, and updating products. In terms of adding products, through the add item function, we specify the category, item name, price, and quantity. If the item already exists, our program intelligently updates the quantity, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. Contrary to adding is removing the product. In this action, we have utilized the remove item function, which allows us to efficiently reduce stock levels, whether due to low demand or other strategic considerations. With just a few keystrokes, we can adjust quantities, keeping our inventory aligned with consumers' preferences and market trends. Next, the program simplifies the process of keeping track of inventory levels, which is a constant task with the update quantity function. Whether it's restocking popular items or adjusting quantities based on sale data, our system provides the flexibility and modify quantities with precision. Subsequently, items, costs, and values are counts under the display inventory. As the decision-making is highly paramount, the display inventory leads to an efficient and transparent inventory of the transactions and supplies of an operation done. So additionally, a table that will be set as a visual and is shown with the list of products category, its item, price, and quantity. So following that, when it comes to checking the status of the inventory, the program will print the message inventory is real to indicate that the products are not in low quantity. While it does so, it will automatically display a warning message and identify the item that is low in quantity. Using the find item or self-item method, searching for a particular object has never been easier. When you choose option 6 or choice 6, search item in the inventory menu, the program will ask you what's the name of the item you want to find. The category, name, price, and the quantity of the specific item you want to discover will pop out if it's any of the categories. If the certain item is not in any of the categories, the program will otherwise print that it is nowhere to be found. In the save inventory function, this method writes the entire inventory to a text file in a format that can later be read and loaded back into the program to restore the inventory state. Each time save inventory is called, it updates the file with the latest inventory information. These are the additional features of the program that includes file handling that is used to store user information and inventory data persistently, user management that allows user to log in and sign up securely, and lastly, the loading inventory that is responsible in reading the inventory data from the user inventory files and populates the inventory object with the loaded data. An advanced solution tailored to the unique needs of apparel inventory management is made. Fashion Flow is produced and it continues to evolve. Its impact on optimizing inventory systems is poised to redefine standards within the apparel sector.